Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is a raw footage of my video. So I really doing this because I want to document my journey as a newbie farmer here in the Philippines. As you can see, the road going to my farm is really difficult because it is slippery. It is step going up, but as a farmer you need to overcome these circumstances every day because you believe that if you will work, you will work with your dreams, then there will be a great reward for it. So as a newbie farmer here in the Philippines, it is really challenging because of the high inputs of our farm here. So this is the view of my farm. As you can see, there are a few bananas here, right there. So I'm planning to plant corn in this parcel of land here. So the view is something that really nice for me because I really love doing this kind of uh, overseeing the view here in my farm. So I am planning to put herbicide in I'm planning to apply herbicide to my farm because that's the easiest way to kill the grasses, to kill the weeds. And here, this kind of grass is really difficult to kill. So what we need to do here is we need to cut this, manually cut this grass. And there are plenty of grass like this right there, right there. So I do apologize about how I speak English because I'm really not get used to speak this kind of language because this is not my primary language. My primary language is Bisaya. So sa tanang mga Bisaya diha, mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. So this is the kind of grass that is really difficult to kill. Even if you put a lot of herbicide or even if you spray a lot of herbicide to this grass won't die and it would just dry up the leaves, but after a few days it will recover. So the best thing to do is to really cut down this grass using this. And so this is the parcel of land that I am going to plant corn soon with God's blessings. We can really plant this. We're just waiting for a full sunny day because if we apply herbicide to this parcel of land and it is raining, the effectivity of herbicide won't be that kind of effective because the chemical would just be run off to the leaves of this grass. So much for that, and sorry for this kind of video. And if you do like to follow my journey as a newbie farmer here in the Philippines and to learn all the experience that I'm going to experience in the future, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can get more updates to my YouTube channel. So I think that's all. God bless everyone. God bless to all the farmers here, not here in the Philippines but in the whole wide world. God bless everyone.